What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eli, and welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this session will help you cultivate a sense of calm, focus, and presence. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Let's begin. So let's go ahead and start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales without trying to change anything. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present and centered in this moment. Let go of any tension or distractions in your mind. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Begin by bringing your attention to your toes. Wiggle them slightly and let them relax. Slowly move your awareness up through your feet, ankles, calves, knees, and thighs. Release any tension you may be holding in these areas. Continue scanning through your hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers, allowing each part of your body to relax and soften. Focus on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. With each inhale, feel your belly rise and expand. With each exhale, feel it fall and contract. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. Allow your breath to anchor you in this present moment. Notice any thoughts or emotions that arise in your mind without getting caught up in them. Imagine them as clouds passing by in the sky. Acknowledge the thoughts or feelings, but let them drift away as you return your focus to your breath. Practice observing your thoughts with curiosity and compassion, knowing that you are not defined by them. Take this moment to express gratitude for this time you have dedicated to yourself and your well-being. Set an intention for the rest of your day or week. It can be a simple affirmation, a goal you wish to achieve, or a quality you want to cultivate within yourself. Hold this intention in your heart as you slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. As we conclude this session, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this step towards mindfulness and self-care. Remember that meditation is a practice, and each session is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you as you continue your day. Know that you can always return to this place of inner peace whenever you need it. Thank you for honoring yourself in this practice. May you find joy and clarity in your meditation journey.